Hi. Ah. It's snowing. I mean, not anymore, but we have a lot of snow. Why not? I think today will be the last snow. Like, this is almost middle of February, and I didn't have any snow afterwards last season, so that means I think today is the last chance. Yeah, this is exactly for my car. Let's go. I have two batteries. Yeah, let's go. Smells awful. I smelled some, yeah, really bad smell from motor. What? Okay, so it's really cold here. Four-wheel steering. Hehehe. Nothing can stop me. Hearts. Of course. Can I walk up there? Okay, no problem. Let me do some photo session. I will send to my friend. Yeah, let me take several. Yeah, maybe two will be enough. Okay, because of the extreme cold, yeah, I'm wearing the gloves, which is really difficult to grab the throttle, but not so bad. Yeah. No! Ah, okay. differentials not locked. No, no. Yeah, really? You cannot do it? Ah, it's sad. So this is manageable, but okay, a bit sad. Oh, oh. Usual position. Usual course. Ah, went too far. Okay, that'll be enough. Oh, yeah, actually there's nothing more things to do because maybe I can draw some letter. It's gonna be really... Nah, I'm not gonna do it. I was thinking of drawing Sakura, but yeah, I don't want to do like 6 letters. Yeah, I think I don't have to play long. I'm hungry. And yeah, even though I'm wearing a lot of clothes, still, yeah. Maybe I will check the lake. Maybe the surface can be frozen. Don't know. Okay, that's my apartment right there. Oosh. Is it a conference or something? Ah, that doesn't look good. Hmm? どうだ？あーあーあーうわー I don't know. Yeah, this car costs a lot of money, so I don't want to. Ah. Yeah. It looks like possible, but nah. I'm too chicken. You can call me chicken. Nope. Nope, this is too expensive. And also, the access to the lake seems really difficult. So nah, no challenge. Nah, without lock mechanism. Yeah, momentum, physics. Well, I will go home. Getting hungry a little bit. Okay, seize the day. Cheers. I changed my mind. Since I got this car ready to go, I put the battery inside. Why not having a little bit of fun there? Wow, the body, I mean, yeah, warm air around the car. Let's go. I forgot which button is for speed up. Yeah, how to speed up.すげえな。この車ならどこでも行けそう。I take photos again for my friends, showing off. I'm checking the gear. Ah, wait, that's not good. Ah, okay, locked. Okay, nice. Ah, fucking slow. So today I like to make this car climbing up there from this side. It looks really bad, but I hope it's possible. I think the last time I failed this part, so let's starting from here. Yeah. All the diffs are locked right now. Oh, you did it! Yeah, baby. Ah. Yeah. I think, yeah, those bushes, yeah, dried bushes are a pain in the ass. Huh? Okay, maybe around here should be better to try. I don't know. Nah, the bushes are way too deep. What about here? Oh! No, no, no. No! Oh, you could have made it alive? Ah. I think, yeah, if it were pure snow, okay, but yeah, covered with leaves, and they were, of course, yeah, totally slippery. Ah. Okay, so the hazard is there. Definitely have to be okay. Maybe I would be able to have fun here, but definitely not a place to be. By the way, this is the course I'm usually taking. Yeah. Maybe taking one more photo here. Okay, nice. Man, really cold. I think I don't have to stay here long. Yeah, I've already done something. Yeah, overcoming that. Yeah, steep slope. Clattering, huh? I like to change the gear. Which bottom would it be? Ah! Okay, this bottom was it? Yeah. Whoa! 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 Yeah. Yeah, this is only 2 cells, so that's why the speed is not that high. No, I didn't bring the sheet paper where I writing the configuration, how to unlock or lock the differentials. I think it has to be 3, 4. Yeah, but I forgot. It's okay. It's not gonna roll over because of the grip limit. Ah! Oh! No! 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 Ah, still locked. How? Nah, yeah. Ooh. Let's go home. Yeah, this time finally, for real, choose. Bye bye.